Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's today's tip.
For those of you who need to use file types like DXFs or DWGs for other programs, you might be used to creating a drawing in SOLIDWORKS and then saving that out. That works, but may take you a bit more time than the way I'm about to show you. You can actually create these files directly from the model. I'll be using sheet metal for this example, but you should be able to use any SOLIDWORKS model. While looking at the part, I'll just open the Save As dialog. Under File Type, select either DWG or DXF. I'll be creating a DWG, but the process is essentially the same. When I click Save, it'll bring us back to the part and give us some options in the Property Manager. I could choose to export just certain faces, loops, and edges, specific annotation views, or like this defaulted to sheet metal. Sheet metal will give us the flat pattern, so let's do that. I want to keep geometry checked so that we can see the part, but I also want to show bend lines, so I'll check that as well. If we wanted to change how anything is aligned, we could use these options to move around the X or Y axis, or to find a different coordinate system to use. Since this is sheet metal, it will show the flat pattern as just one file, but if I had a few different views, I could create them all separately. Clicking OK, it will run through a few processes, then finally ask us if this is what we want. It is, so I'll save. Now, if we open up something like Draft Site, we can view the flat pattern DWG.
Thanks for watching. Contact me if you have any questions, and have a nice weekend.